Activity 4, speaking assignment. The first step asks a personal presentation. Well, my name is Yasmin Eliana Sanchez, and this coming May 31, I will celebrate my 30 years of coming to this world, specifically in the municipality of Guaguas, Cundinamarca. Yes, the land of La Pola. I live recently in the city of Madrid, Cundinamarca, because we have bought an apartment there. We live with my husband and Ramona, our cat. I'm currently working as quality director in a company that sells and produces organic food, Mundo Orgánico. And I am studying in the food engineering program of the UNAV because I like food and especially because my dream in the future is to be able to found a company with which I can help to my family that lives in this beautiful house that you see in the image. Okay, the step 2, describing the restaurant and tell you everything about it. Well, today I want to tell you about a very famous corner in the city of Bogota, specifically in the neighborhood of October 12, where is the restaurant Doña Segunda, famous because the fritanga that they sell there is very unique. Many journalists and celebrities have published about this particular place because you can find a lot of information on the internet about this site. So some comments are good and others not much. You decide. Okay, what type of food you can find in this place? In this place you can find fritanga baskets full of black pudding, chicken, bofe, liver, hair, chorizo, potatoes, yuca, banana, and arepa with essence. What's the specialty? Is the black pudding, morcilla, that is a saucer stuffed with blood, rice, and vegetables, accompanied by travels, sauce grilled potatoes and yuca. Usually this food is fried. How is the service? In this restaurant, the love and family union are shared. You can see the sons and grandchildren work daily following the instructions of Doña Segunda, who still works in this place now. Why you should go? If you want to eat something very typical, and of course, if you do not have restrictions for your cholesterol, I recommend this place. The prices are comfortable and the service is good. However, you must have a lot of patience because there are a long lines to buy and then to sit down. The best option for me is to buy to take home and enjoy a particular gastronomic moment with your family. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye.